Hello, good afternoon. This is Sharon from Everything Beautiful. So today I'll be showing you how to do this top sheet. I'm not calling it a flat sheet. It's more like a spread. The one I'm making doesn't have any batting, so it's not quilted or anything like that. It's just the fabric alone, but it's putting or piecing different pieces of fabric together to give you this look. Now, if the fabric that you're purchasing, like double width fabric, 108, 112, 90 inches, 93 inches, maybe you don't need to do this because you wouldn't cut that fabric into 3 pieces to make this. This is if you have fabric that is maybe 36 inches, 54 inches or 40 inches, whatever measurement, whatever width. This is how you would use it to make a spread. So first, we know that the length, we have control over that because we can decide the amount that we need. The problem is the width, okay? And as you see, all these pieces seems pretty even. So you can have 36 inches here, 36 inches here, and 36 inches to the other side. And that would be 108 inches wide. Okay, and you would just divide those into 3 equal parts and you would be good to go. Also, you would have 10 inches to the top there, another 80 inches because this is actually we're using the queen size measurement. So consider this to be 10 inches if you wanted to push behind the bed head or behind the pillows, and you have another 80 inches here, and you have another between 18 to 23 or more depending on your the height of your bed. As you can see, this is pretty close to the floor, so you can decide the length of that. So the concern is always the width. Okay, so let me walk you through these steps. And for the width, I have 58 inches for the centerpiece here, and I have another 58 inches to split in two, and for the 2 side panels. So I'll give you the total of the length and the width. So here I know that I have 58 inches in the middle panel, okay, and the bed is 60 inches wide, okay. So I'm going to short 2 inches to bring it to the edge right here. And why I say 2 inches, because of the allowance. It's actually 1, but I'm just adding the allowance in it. Okay, so it's going to be 58 inches, and that is going to be another 2 inches here and 2 inches there, and that is going to be 62 inches, but it's actually 60 inches. And the allowance will be left to join in with this panel to the side. So I've cut this panel, I've done I've decided that this side panel is going to be 20 inches, okay, and I already have the 2 inches in there, make it 22 inches, and then I'm going to finish off the bottom here with a double hem of 4 inches, okay, of 2 inches, I'm sorry, double hem of 2 inches, so 2 inches, 20 inches, okay, that's 22, and another 2 here, that is 24 inches. So I'm going to double that because remember it's the left and the right, it's this side and that side, and so that is going to be 48 inches. So here I have my measurement. So as you know, I did only one panel and then I multiply what I got, which 24 inches, and I've multiplied that by 2 and I got 48 because it's 2 sides, the left side and the right side. So that gives me 48 inches. I now add the 48 inches to the middle piece here. So we know that the length is 110 inches. Okay, that's a little bit over 3 yards. So what you'll do, you'll double this 110 inches and you will get 220 inches. So that's going to be 6 yards. You can purchase 6 yards, or you can purchase 6¼ yards or 6½ yards. Then we're going to, because we have 3 yards for the centerpiece, okay, and we're going to split the other 3 yards for the 2-side panel. Then you're going to probably need another 2 yards for your pillowcases, okay. So in total, maybe we're going to need just about 6 into 8 yards. So maybe 8 yards of fabric that is 58 inches wide. Okay, so as you can see, you can you will join them together. It's very easy. It's not very difficult. You can join them. As you can see, this is another diagram here showing you how to join it. So you can join them right here. You can also add piping to the seam. All right. And when you reach, after you join them, okay, you ensure that, you know, it's pretty straight. You can square it off nicely. And what you do to avoid the point here, you would just curve it. All right, curve it so it doesn't come down with a point. So thank you for watching, and hope you will be inspired to do this spread. Be creative and just make yourself some nice sheets. So the total amount of fabric that you're going to need now, it's going to be 6 yards or 6¼ yards for the bedspread. Whatever you get in inches, you divide that by 36 inches.